The Ninja DZ201 Air Fryer stands out with its unique dual basket design, allowing you to cook two different foods simultaneously without compromising on time or flavor. Equipped with dual-zone technology, this air fryer lets you finish cooking two dishes at the same time with its Smart Finish feature, ensuring a seamless meal preparation experience. Boasting 6 customizable cooking programs, it offers versatility with options to air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, catering to a wide range of culinary needs. With an extra-large 8-quart capacity, the fryer can accommodate family-sized meals, making it ideal for preparing mains and sides together or up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. The product has been professionally inspected and tested to ensure it functions and appears like new, backed by the assurance of the Amazon Renewed Guarantee for customer satisfaction. Its sleek dark gray stainless finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal.